Hi everyone, and welcome to Yesterday Today, where I take the things of past years and bring them into today. Now today is not a sewing video for a change. I have a video that's this close for my 1940s style trousers, but it's not quite there yet. So I thought today, instead of doing a sewing video, I would come to the rescue of another community that I'm a member of, which is the long-haired community. And each month they have a hairstyle of the month. And this month it is the link bun. Now, the link bun's not probably that old, but there is no video for it. And so we're having to go back and sort of learn how it works from written instructions. Very old school. I don't even have step-by-step pictures. So I thought today it might just be interesting to try and do this bun just from written instructions, which could be interesting because really the sort of buns that I do, apart from having worked out this lazy wrap bun, I've just kind of made stuff up. I don't normally follow instructions, so we'll see how it goes. As you can see, I've got some great frizz going on at the moment. It is stinking hot and humid today, so you'll just have to forgive me all of this, but doesn't matter for just trying to work out how this works. So we'll have to take this one down now. Here we go. So as you can see, definitely long hair. I don't think I'll manage to get it all into the picture full length. I need to be sitting somewhere else. I've also oiled my hair a bit in preparation for washing in a bit, so you'll just have to excuse that bit of it too. Okay. So here we go. My hair is currently somewhere around tailbone, I think. So I'm hoping I've got enough for this. With an initial read of the instructions, it looks like you would need fairly long hair with which to do this. So we'll sort of see how it goes. Okay, first instruction. Gather hair into a ponytail, which is relatively easy. There we go. So we've got the ponytail. It then says to wrap all hair over and down behind 2 fingers. So I think it's going to be easier if I do it this way. So I've got 2 fingers. The hair is going over those 2 fingers and down behind the 2 fingers, then under and around the base of the ponytail. So I think what they mean is this hair goes under and around that ponytail. You can start to see why you need a bit more hair to do this. Okay. Make a second loop over and down behind the same 2 fingers. So basically it sounds like we're repeating what we've just done. So these 2 fingers, the hair again goes over and down behind it. And then wrap the remaining length around the base, which I guess means go round and around. And I've pulled that fairly tight in order to make that sort of hold, I think. Now this is the bit, great, can't even see it. This is the bit where I'm not sure, this next bit. It says insert the stick through one loop and out the other. So I think what this means is I'm going to separate these 2 loops on my finger. So I'm going to guess you open it out and you have 1 loop here, 1 loop here. Now I'll need to get my stick. At the moment I'm using a fork. It may not work so well with this fork, but let's see. So I'll put this through the first loop, grab the hair by my scalp, wiggle it through. Now with this second loop, I don't know whether I twist it or not, so let's try it without that twist and see what we think. Oh look, there we go. That kind of works. This one feels really loose. I wonder, because it almost felt like this one should sit this way, and it's a little bit tighter if I open it that way. I don't think it makes a huge difference whichever way. It's an interesting bun. Is that, however, how it's meant to look? I don't know. And see, this feels really loose at the moment, so I am going to try it one more time. There were some better instructions just a bit lower. So let's try that again. So second round of instructions underneath, which again starts with gather hair in a ponytail, hold it with the thumb at the bottom and first two fingers on top. Flip the hair up and over the two fingers on top, creating a loop around the fingers. The tail of the pony should now be hanging down to one side of the base. So bring the tail under the base and around the top once and let it hang down the same as in the previous step. Right, I think that needs to stay really tight. So flip the hair up and over the fingers again. So I think I was doing it right. And down. If you've got thick hair, you're going to struggle. You need long fingers. So do that again, creating a second loop and wrap the rest of the hair around the base as before. So keep going. So it says take your fingers out of the loop and spread them so one is on either side of the bun. And insert your stick through the loops to secure. So I guess I was doing it right. It's just that first loop needs to be really, really tight, I think, is what I did wrong the first time. So in through that loop, through everything, and out through the other loop. And I guess that then is the link bun, as best as I can work out. So my advice is do those loops really, really tightly when you loop them over your index finger. If you've got shorter hair, just try put it over one finger even and then around your pony. The second thing is you might need a longer stick than normal as well, because it sits quite wide from what I can see, and this fork is barely holding it. So there you go, that is what I think a link bun, or at least as close as I'm getting to a link bun anyway, is like. And so anyway, if you are a member of the community, if you have tried it, let me know. If you think I've done it right, if that's how it's meant to look, if you think there's another way it's meant to look, let me know. And I will be seeing you around. I will probably have more hairstyles, maybe a few more, a bit more vintagey as well, in keeping with the sort of fashions I've had. But apart from that, keep checking in, because there will be many more sewing videos coming up soon. So bye, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye for now.